expensive hearing aids that never really work. And best of all, you'll finally be able to enjoy normal conversations with your loved ones again. However, the billion-dollar hearing aid industry has already removed this special presentation from the internet twice before in a desperate attempt to maximize profits. So it's uncertain how long the information will remain available this time. Tap the blue watch now button below before it's too late.
Call your doorbell camera company and cancel the subscription. This brand new subscription-free mini Wi-Fi camera provides more security features than traditional doorbell systems without ever having to pay for expensive installation or monthly fees, making typical doorbell cameras.
Welcome back, Texas Chopper Blog Chop Blog. A little pans man. Panhead. Him not liking it because it's fucking cold out here. I think it's 37, 38. He's barely got the fucking heater to where he fucking will kind of break the chill. Still fucking cold though. Got down to 4 degrees the other night. That's why I haven't been filming. It's been too cold out here to fucking do any work or film or anything. So, but today I got up to fucking 39 or 40, so I figured we'd come out and build a fire and finish fucking getting started on this dyna. So, I want to thank all the new subscribers, and of course I want to thank all my old subscribers. Thank you guys. Give my shout outs out, but right now my brain's dead, so I can't think of everybody. So I'll do it on the next one or something. Alright. Like I was saying before the fucking battery rudely went dead, I just put it in too. I don't know. It's me, I guess. Anyway, today's fucking Tuesday, October 31st. Today's Halloween. Happy Halloween to everybody. Hope you guys have a good trick-or-treating time. We took baby Harley up to the university yesterday for her little trick-or-treating. She is so cute. She made a perfect little strawberry shortcake. I can, I'll try to get a picture and put it up here. Up here, here, over, I don't know. Hopefully you'll see a picture of a little strawberry shortcake. It was so cute. She was so cute. Anyway, I'll fucking take you guys outside and let you see what we're fucking dealing with today. We didn't get as much snow as what they claimed we were gonna get, so that's good. And it's not real cold out if you're standing in the sun. It's pretty nice. But this is what we're doing today. All these leaves. All these leaves, I don't have a tree one. Anyway, we're slowly getting this yard cleaned up. As soon as the price of metal goes back up, I'll fucking start taking some loads off. But right now, I don't know. It's kind of weird. Price of everything's fucking weird. If you guys would, leave a comment. If you guys fucking scrap metal in your area, leave me a comment what the price of a fucking ton's going for and where you're from. Oh, anyway, like I said earlier, I wanted to give a shout out to all the new subscribers and all my old subscribers. Thank you. We're up to 362, 361, 362, something like that. Thank you guys so much. That's awesome. Finally got some heat in here. So, what we're doing on this today is we're gonna finish stripping off this fucking primary cover and get this fucking all this off, clutch, primary cover, shit, and then we can go from there. I gotta get that back tire off so I can get that peg mount out, and then oh yeah, I gotta pull the starter after I get that fucking primary. So that's where we're at today, guys. So this is a 3-minute fucking clip, and I really didn't fucking record anything because, like I said, I can't remember when I put my last video out. I think it was last Thursday I put my video out. And Friday and Saturday it was fucking cold and snowing. It was like, the lows were like down to fucking 16, 17, and then I guess Saturday night it got down to 4. Fucking 4. It was cold all day, all night. And Monday it fucking got up to like, I don't know, 36, 37 with barely above freezing. But with the wind blowing, it was so fucking cold, man. Poor little girl. Taking her out in the cold to fucking go trick-or-treating, that kind of sucked. But for some reason, she didn't really mind it. She kind of likes the cold, I guess, because she was born on a cold winter night in Wyoming. So, anyway, I'll bring you guys back in a little while. Enjoy! Alright, welcome back to Exit Job Blog Chop. So we're working on this 2017 Dyna and pulling the fucking clutch, and I'll just let you see. You see that motherfucker right there? You see my fucking big ass long bar? And fuck, that's like 185 fucking foot-pounds of torque on that sumbitch. And it is a bitch. So get you a fucking piece of wood, wedge it in here between the teeth, otherwise you won't do it. Oh yeah, might have to have your old lady fucking push down on the back of the fucking truck or bike while you bust it loose. Anyway, that's my 2 cents.
Yeah,
So,
you always
enjoy.
need your old lady's help to bust a nut. Don't forget it.
That's what she said. Alright, welcome back to Exit Job Blog Job. It's still Halloween night. Anyway, we got this all tore apart. We're just gonna pull the fucking inner primary off now, so we can finish getting the rest of this done. But I just wanted to show you guys where we're at so far on this build. There's all the parts right there. I don't know how you guys do it, but I get me some fucking sandwich bags and I label it what it is, and that's where my bolts, and then I put them all up so I know where they're at, and I've got them. So anyway, there's a lot of Loctite on that motherfucker, so I guess I'll return the favor. It almost didn't want to come off though. I'll tell you, I had to have the old lady fucking push down on the back of the fucking bike while I fucking took that big ass breaker bar, and she was trying to bend on me. Anyway, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more bolts, and then the fucking starter and the primary come off. So enjoy. Alright, I'm bringing you guys back. We just pulled the starter out. I was gonna fucking film it and then I forgot. Got in a hurry, I guess. Anyway, there's just this bolt here, that bolt there, and the whole starter slides right out. And this is what it looks like. I like the way these fucking, have that jockey fucking. I like the new fucking design on that, that's for sure. That makes it a lot nicer. And then of course here's the fucking starter ring on the back of the clutch hub. But anyway, that's all I wanted to fucking say. So enjoy. Alright, welcome back to Exit Job Blog Job. I'm getting ready to call it quits for today. It's starting to get cold out here. I gotta pull that bearing off. Once I get that bearing off, then I can get that pulley off, and then we can go from there. That's where we're at today. So anyway, I want to give a shout out to all my fucking peeps. I want to thank all the new subscribers. That's way cool. We're up to 362, 361, something like that. Thank you guys. From X's Chopper Blog Chop, thank you. Just a shout out though to all my fucking normal people. Fucking Chopper Nation, Bagger Nation, Two Wheel Nation, Trike Nation, Navajo Nation, Slickhead, Cycle, Sketchy Hippie Corner. Edzilla. Welcome back to Chop. Extra Chopper Block Chop. Apologize, fucking battery went dead. Right in the middle of that. Anyway, I have a new shout out. I hope I don't butcher this. Joman Rooney. Give him a shout out. The Rooney Nation, I think, is what I'll start saying. So, cool. Anyway, get an old lady to fucking make you some fucking French fries and fucking green chilies. Fucking marry her. She brought that down just a few minutes ago. I was fucking starving. So maybe I'll be out here for a few more minutes. That was the reason why I was giving up. It was fucking cold. Got the fire going.